this one looks different. So this one is the element itself. I believe those two are heaters. Those two are the sensors. And that's what we got. So entire sensitive layer is removed. So two black wires are for the heater, and white and blue wires for the sensor itself. So right here we get two terminals. Yeah, the sun is shiny. Two terminals and two terminals. Heater usually has very low resistance. So let's see if I can. I have to place my phone. Okay, and it's invisible, yes. So let's try this side. Polarity is not important, and I got beep, and it reads 3 ohms, which means it's most likely the heater.